like to ask, like, what and all institutes offer this MPH and MHA, and like how to choose a good college? What are the leading colleges in this field? So, if we get some insight into that.
Okay. So we'll start with again my institute, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, which kind of provides you 2 years of public health course. Public health, there are two courses under public health. One is health policy, economics and finance, and the other one is social epidemiology. So these two courses under MPH one. So other under MHA, masters in hospital or health administration. So those are two courses. So there are completely four courses in Tata Institute of Social Sciences which are suitable for us. So two in MPH and two in MHA. So here the advantage is Tata Institute of Social Sciences will provide you very good placements after completion of the course, and there will be 100% placements, or you'll end up like with options, like you can kind of really choose domains, which domain you want to work. So there will be any number of opportunities will be open for you. So for the career perspective, or if you are really concerned about placement after the course, then Tata Institute of Social Sciences would be the very good option. And other advantage is um, the kind of fee is also very low. You consider other, institutes. So Tata Institute of Social Sciences has a little uh, kind of low fee. So that is kind of advantage, but you need to really work hard to get that entrance. So and competition is really high. So there would be one entrance exam probably in January first week or second week. So entrance will be open from I think September, October, in that period. So there would be one online exam, common entrance test for all those schools in Tata Institute of Social Sciences. Then after you getting selected into online exam, then and after an online exam, you need to write a exam, which is essay writing kind of exam. Then again, you need to crack interview also. So so here again, the interview should be very friendly there. And but the entrance exam, for the entrance exam, you need to really work hard and score well. So that's the one concern. So if you can keep a 6 months or 1 year for the preparation, then that would be a better thing. So always prefer Tata Institute. Then the other option is IIHMR, Indian Institute of Hospital Management and Research, which is in Jaipur. So that all institute will provide good um, placements, and it's kind of very commercial school. Little bit, you'll get very good packages there after completion of your course. Then comparing to the TIS, it has little high fees, but still, very much, doable, feasible. So that would be a the best institute you can go. And entrance is also little bit easy. The chances of getting selected into that institute is little bit easy also. So then again, there would be entrance exam for it and then interview. Then other institute is Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, which has branches in Hyderabad and again Jaipur. That used to funded by the government. It was under ministry some years before, but right now don't know. And the fees would be around 2.5 or 3 lakhs per annum. But the advantage studying there is they, they do so many government projects.
Okay.
So then your chances of getting selected into these projects is higher side in the IIPH institutes. So that is the thing. And then, if you want to earn, or you want to depend on stipend kind of things, then Nimhan should be the other very good institute, which is also providing uh, MPH. So they will, give you stipend of approximately 30,000
Okay.
per month, if I'm not wrong. I need to exactly don't know about placements, but since it is very, renowned and well-known institute in entire, Asia,
Yeah.
so placement would be better on higher side.
Definitely
So
there will be a like more hard entrance. So that's we usually get to
yeah,
see. So more renowned is the
correct.
institute, then there will be an harder of the entrance and or the like they are providing the stipend
Yeah.
and all.
So that is one institute. Another institute is JIPMAR in Pondicherry.
Shipment.
So, so being a government institute, then again it would be very feasible. And placements, I think, I mean that if you are self-sufficient, you have very good communication skills, then everything, goes well. But comparatively, I don't think they provide a 100% placement kind of thing and compulsory placements of sort of thing. But still, it is very good institute to pursue MPH. That pretty much many central universities and every central university is providing MPH courses these days. So among them, Hyderabad Central University is one good option. So they also have very good placements, and Pune University has a separate wing for public health. So that is also few of our seniors are doing there. That is also a very good option for MPH aspirants. Then you have Symbiosis Private Institute in
Yeah,
Pune.
symbiosis.
So
Yeah.
that is also international institute, right? So that is providing, and there are few other institutes. So to sum up, these are the, I mean, what are the names I've said? These are the frontliners. I mean, these are the top in the list institute which provides MPH. So if you do from any of these institutes, you'll get initial salary of 50,000 or around 50,000. So, but again, it depends on your skills, and then it depends on what kind of job you are choosing. So, kind of, if you are choosing up government jobs, then it depends on the state, which state you are selecting. So, few states, pay you much better salaries. Like we have South states, few of the South states providing comparatively very good salary.
Yeah.
So, it depends on state. But if you want to have even good salaries, then healthcare IT would be the better option. They'll pay you, um, I mean, better salary among the all these domains. Like if you want to be a researcher, or if you want to be I mean, you want to work in ground level or work with uh, governments or all this. But these healthcare IT people will pay you more than any other domains. So if
Yeah.
you are like those kind of desk
Finally,
kind of job, healthcare IT would be option. Yeah.
finally we have got a whole list of colleges in different different states and government ones and the way we can get the stipend also or what are the frontliners institute of in public health and the salary and packages it all depends upon one's skills or the state or in which sector they are working like as in BNYS also we say that
Right.
wellness is the one that is providing the highest salary packages so that's how
Yes.
in this MPH the IT is providing the highest packages. So one can see according to their interest, it doesn't depend only on the salary and pay. So one can explore their interest. If they want to work on ground level, they can choose some of the NGOs to work, or if they want to get after the salary, because that is the ultimately bread and butter. Everyone wants the money, so then they can choose this IG healthcare. So that's a very wonderful information we have got from Dr. Pavan.